our preferences can change and that we might want a room that's moody. But that's not our only personality, right? When you take the quiz, you will be brought to a page like this. And this top page, that's your top result. If you just want to go with that, that's it. But the decodna system isn't about giving you just one result. It's about a system that helps you better understand what it is that you like about rooms. So your top result may be type 14, which the top interior design style is transitional, but that's like a label that we've put on a bunch of things that have been put together. Not that necessarily transitional is your only style. You like a lot of things, and the things that you like are based on color contrast, style preference, and design intensity. So what you really want to look at are these words here: tonal, moderate, cohesive. Those are your three preferences, and that's what these letters here mean. The T, max, C. So this is tonal, maximal, cohesive. I really wanted my test to reflect the fact that our preferences can change and that we might want a room that's moody. But that's not our only personality, right? And understanding exactly what it is about a space that makes us like it really helps you pick the perfect colors and shapes and density in each room that you're decorating. And because this is not easily explained, I am offering a free primer that you get. If you want to scroll down to the bottom and click this, it'll take you to this page here where you can put in your email. You'll be given access to the decodna primer. Now, you'll need to check your spam because my website is so new. All the emails are getting sent to spam, which is a super bummer because nobody's getting their stuff or thinks I'm not sending it to them. But it is coming. It just gets sent to your spam. So check your spam folder and then you get access.